Pre-inspection before I do the air conditioning. Body shop collision, new condenser, new components on the front, new radiator. They called me in to do AC. I'm suspicious because this shop has a 134 machine. They only call me in for 1234YF. Usually the only time I get this kind of call. See, what I see here is both the caps are missing. They put their machines on there and maybe did the recovery, or they attempted to charge it up. They didn't tell me nothing about them having problems, but I see an old line, a new condenser. Bet you they didn't change the O-ring there. Then coming over here, you got an old line, a new condenser. I bet you they didn't change the O-ring there. And then if they had to do this and all the sheet metal here, they probably had to replace right here. There's a receiver dryer, but it's buried under here. Let's see. Okay, so we got the receiver dryer here. And I wonder if they disconnected those and they didn't change the O-rings. You know, that's what body shops are good at. Really butchered that. Looks like he tried to use, yeah, wrong. All these bolts were beat to hell with an air gun. And it looks like putting wrong sizes on some of them, but that's not my issue. Let's see what I find out. Oh, another thing I think I noticed. I was looking at the oil inside there. So it's, you know, when they're in the body shop, they stay open to the atmosphere. And I was trying to see if that oil is clear or is it's cloudy. It has an off tinge cloud to it, but I can't see. This angle is really bad. So we'll find out when I start it up. Old receiver dryer, system left open in atmosphere, and let's see if we have any leaks there. And right away I'm gonna check. What I'll probably do is I'll pressurize it, then I'll take the couplings off and see if they experienced any leaks at their fittings. And so when I know somebody does 134 and then they call me in, I know there is probably a problem. And you got to be suspicious, and you got to be a detective, because people in cheap places who try to cut corners, and then when there's a problem, they don't want to pay for it, and they say, I didn't know, or the insurance company doesn't pay for that. No, it's just you don't have the knowledge, and you shouldn't be in the business in the first place. See you guys later. Let's come back and see what I find on this one.